north of the line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, including Patch Island, Reedy Point, Woodland Beach, Seabreeze, Ship Joshua Light and Stony Point, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Woodland Beach, moving north at 20 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over Stony Point by 5:10 p.m. over Reedy Point by 5:30 p.m. over Patch Island by 5:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.